Now that I've got a house, I've got things like a front yard, a backyard, a garden, trees, things that require different watering methods. So, you have your sprinkler, you've got your standard hose nozzle, we got a long reach one. And part of my problem is I only have one hose. So every time I want to switch between these, I got to go ahead and twist on whatever it is I'm looking for to water. So I found a company on TikTok called Zebra Clean. This is really cool, you guys. So these are quick connects for your hose. And this will allow you to just quickly connect and disconnect all your different hose attachments. These are super easy to install and they're very, very inexpensive. You simply just twist on the female end to your hose, twist on the male end to your nozzle or watering device. Now you're locked on. Pick these up today on TikTok from Zebra Clean.